everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we are opening up a mystery box that was just released. This is the Game On mystery box from Cricut. They did send this directly to me so that I could open it and show it to you, and for some reason I can't get this to work. So let's see what's inside. I do know that it includes a cutie, so it will be Cricut Access exclusive. But if you don't already have it, now is a great time to join. So go ahead and click that link below and join Cricut Access, and you'll be able to purchase this. So let's open it up. This is a big, this is a bigger box than usual. Usually it's like a smaller pizza pie width, and it's like twice the width. So there might be a reason for that. So let's find out. Well, right now it's paper. So lots of paper inside. That is good for junk journaling. Oh, there's a hat inside. Look at that. So you can use this with the Cricut hat press. You can use it with the mini, I can't think of words right now, sorry, the easy press, or if you have to, you can use it with the iron, but it is a polyester blank that is used for the infusible ink. You can use it for sublimation as well. I love to use it with the infusible ink. So there you have it. Cool gray hats. I love the color, and they're very comfortable too. Here's that size, the adjustable, yeah, there you go. So there you have it. There's number one. This we will open last. That is our little cutie. Again, this one is called the Game On, so it makes sense there would be a hat in there, right? So for sports games. This is the removable matte. Oh, I love matte. Premium vinyl Summer Bee sampler. Look at, I don't know if you can see. Hang on, let's open this. I don't usually open them unless I'm going to use them, but I want you to see what this looks like. Because it's matte, but it's like a holographic or hollow, yeah, some kind of hollow design on it. Oh, I can't find where I put my trash can. So look, can you see that? Oh, there's glue. Where did I put those scissors? I am on leave for surgery right now, so I might actually be a little, not messed up, but hard to find stuff. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, so here's the yellow. Oh, look at how cool that is. You can definitely see that in the video. Here's the white. And it's matte, but it's, I don't know, it's really cool. Ooh, next is gold. I really like these. I'm going to have to figure out a way to use it. It is removable. Black. Ooh, that is pretty. It's a disco vibe. And then one more color. And green. Very cool. I like the samplers because you get lots of different colors, different ideas, and then you can always buy the full color later if you want. This one is a holographic threads premium vinyl permanence. So can you see the holographic threads on that one? So very cool. That is one sheet of 12 by 48. This one is Everyday Iron-On in Mesh. So it goes great with the sports, and this is blue. One sheet 12 by 24. And obviously these were 4 sheets, 12 by 12, I believe. 12 by 11.8. Okay. There's 6 of them. It says 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of them. Did I miss the color? I missed the color. Sorry about that. So I showed you the white, showed you the green, showed you the yellow. I missed the brown. Look at that. So 6 sheets of that one. Sorry about that. Blue. Linerless transfer tape. I love this stuff. It's just transfer tape. You just don't have to worry about the paper underneath. Gorgeous infusible ink to go with our hats. Multiple colors. Don't open these on video because they are packaged in a black package to prevent any light, heat, things like that. So there you have it. Super cool though. And then we have a package of get rid of the box. Light Grip 12 by 12 3-pack. Never have too many mats. Okay, and Light Grip is good for recommended materials are printer paper, cardstock, iron-on, construction paper, and vinyl. So there you have it. 3 sheets of that. And I know what you guys are waiting for. You are waiting to see this little Cricut dude and what he looks like. So without further ado, let's get him out here. So this is the Cricut Cutie Golden. Let's see. I'll rip the box, and there he is. He is the golden color. Cricut Cutie Golden. So, let me know what you think about this box in the comment box below. But also, if you're seeing it now and this video was just released, quick run, go get yourself one. The links below in the comments, or links under the video in the show more box. Thanks for watching.